Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput. Today we will learn the topic haloalkane haloarine from Organic Chemistry chapter number 10. First, we will discuss nomenclature. Nomenclature of RX alkyl halide and ERX. ER means aromatic. So RX, for RX means alkyl halide, you can write simple name. R means alkyl and X means halide. Halide may be fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. This alkyl may be ethyl, methyl. Otherwise we can say also in IBC system haloalkane. This is IBC system, this is common or general name. Alkyl halide, otherwise haloalkane. Example. Suppose CH3Cl. This is methyl chloride, otherwise chloromethane. According to Van 't Hoff, it exists in tetrahedral form. C, Cl, H. These three atoms present in a plane. The fourth atom means second hydrogen present toward reader out of the plane of the board. We represent this hydrogen in the form of dash dash displacement. And last hydrogen means the fourth atom in this compound present behind the board. We represent this by a dark base line. This is tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral means different four atoms exist in a different four direction, four orientation with 109 degree 28 minute. Listen. So if we replace these hydrogens by CH3 group, then new different types of alkyl will form. The types of alkyl are primary, secondary and tertiary. Listen. What are primary, secondary, tertiary? Listen. This is functional group and carbon which is directly connected with functional group is called alpha, and the carbon which is connected with alpha carbon is called beta. If there are beta carbon 0 or 1, this is called primary alkyl halide. If the beta carbon means carbon connected with alpha or 2, this is secondary. If beta carbons are 3, this is called tertiary. Simple. This is RCl primary. This is R CH2Cl secondary. R Cl. This is tertiary. So how can we write name of primary, secondary and tertiary RX? Listen example with the help of ball and stick models. Listen. Number 1. Primary RX. Primary RX means, suppose this is CH3Cl. In CH3Cl, if we are replacing one hydrogen by CH3 group, we can draw this CH3 in the form of this H. Suppose this hydrogen is replaced by CH3. These two are primary. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. In first compound, beta carbon is 0, but in second compound, beta carbon is 1. Beta carbon means carbon which is connected with alpha. Beta is 0, beta is 1. Both are primary. This is called chloroethane in IBC system. Other we can say ethyl chloride. If we replace these two hydrogens by CH3 group, listen, CH3 CH2 CH3 chlorine means this is hydrogen, and we replace these two hydrogens by CH3. 1, 2, 3, and in IV system we can say this is 2 chloropropane. Otherwise we can say secondary propyl chloride. If we replace all hydrogens of methyl chloride by CH3, listen, CH3 CH3, CH3. these 3 hydrogens be replaced by CH3. This type compound will form. So in IV system 1, 2, 3. In IV system this is basically propane. In propane on second carbon this is chlorine. So we can say 2 alphabetic 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. This is IV system. This in general we can say general common name. This is tertiary propyl, sorry, there are 4 carbons, so we write here butyl, tertiary butyl chloride. Look here, first observe here, this is carbon halogen and there are 3 hydrogen and this halogen exists in tetrahedral form. This is tetrahedral structure. This is polar bond, minus sign, plus sign. Halogen is more electronegative than carbon. This is methyl chloride. Otherwise, we can say chloromethane. If we replace one hydrogen, this hydrogen, any hydrogen, by another, this is CH3, carbon with 3 hydrogens, CH3. This is called ethyl chloride. Otherwise, chloroethane. In this compound, this is functional group. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. In this compound there is only one beta, so this is primary. If we replace another hydrogen by CH3, listen, then this form is called beta. In this compound there are 2 beta carbons, so this is called secondary, but total carbon are 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is called secondary propyl chloride. Otherwise in IV system we can say 2 chloro propane. This last one hydrogen. If we replace this hydrogen by another CH3, suppose this is another CH3, we are replacing CH3. So listen, in this compound this is alpha and from alpha there are 3 beta. So if there are 3 beta, this is called tertiary, but total carbon are 4. So we can say tertiary butyl chloride. Otherwise 1, 2, 3 carbon. On second carbon this is chlorine, on second carbon there is CH3, so we repeat 2 chloro, otherwise 2 halo, 2 methyl propane. This is tertiary. So on the basis of beta carbon we can say haloalkanes may be primary, these 2 are primary, secondary and tertiary. Listen, one more thing. This is tertiary butyl chloride. In this compound there are 3 bulky groups directly connected with this carbon. This is called steric compound, means around the carbon there is no free space for attacking another molecule. Suppose this molecule, this ion, this atom want to replace this. So for replacing this there should be any place, but this is more steric due to deficiency of space in 3D around this carbon. This is called steric effect, and also this is tertiary. In other examples, listen. Can you guess this compound? This compound is benzene. If we join here, then can you say name of this compound? We can draw here 1, 2, 3. This is benzene. This is first carbon. On first carbon there is sigma, sigma and sigma. 3 sigma are present. This is halogen. So actually this carbon is sp2 hybridized. This carbon, because this is pi 1. Its name is halobenzene. Otherwise chlorobenzene, fluorobenzene according to halogen. But can you guess name of this compound? In this there is hexacyclic member ring, but no ring inside the ring. So this is cyclohexane and this is halogen. So we can say its name is halocyclohexane. Can you guess name of this compound? 1 minute. Name of this compound, otherwise name of this compound. Look, this compound. Here, this is benzene, this is CH2 and this is halogen, otherwise chlorine. Its IPC name is chlorophenyl methane. Chlorophenyl methane. In general, we can say this is benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride is common name, general name, and chlorophenyl methane is IPC name. Can you guess name of this compound? This is chlorocyclohexyl methane. Chloro, otherwise halocyclohexyl methane. So in exam, they ask this type question. Listen. This is chlorobenzene, but this compound is chloromethane. This is aliphatic, this is aromatic. If we want to react sodium hydroxide, otherwise potassium hydroxide with this compound easily react with NaH for minus NaCl along with CH3OH. Here this chlorine negative is replaced by another negative part. This is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions easily takes place with aliphatic group, but in aromatic means chlorobenzene, it does not form easily this reaction. On high pressure, high temperature presence of catalyst, then substitution takes place. So in exam they ask haloarine are least reactive than haloalkane. Give the reason. So reason we can easily remember by HIRE. There are 4 reasons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you understand the meaning of question? Question is haloarenes are less, otherwise least reactive than haloalkane. Give the reason. So trick is to remember the regions. HIRE. Number 1 H. H is hybridization. In haloarine there is sp2 hydrogen, but in case of haloalkane, in this compound there are 4 bond, sigma bond. So sigma bond are 4, hydrogen is sp3. So in first case the bond length due to sp2 hydrogen, the bond length is short. Here in this case due to sp3 the bond length is long. So the long bond easily break. Suppose this is long bond, this is short bond. Long bond can easily break, but the short bond is difficult to break down. Second problem. I means instability of product. After removal, suppose this halogen is removed with taking electron. This halogen removed with taking electron. After the reaction, here will form CH3 and here will form this type phenyl carbon. This is methyl carbon. So this phenyl carbon is unstable, but this is something stable. If there is CH3 another group, so it form more stable due to giving of electron, due to plus inductive effect, but phenyl is unstable. So we can say after the removal of halogen, the product of haloarine is unstable. So reaction become reverse. But this may be stable due to some other effects like inductive effect. Next, I. I means R. The R means resonance. Do you know in which compound resonance is possible? In this compound, in first compound, due to resonance, what happened? Due to resonance, the electron of halogen comes inside the ring. So after the resonance, in next structure, this bond become partially double bond, partially positive this type, partially negative. So double bond, the breaking of double bond is too much difficult. Suppose this is double bond, short bond, also double bond. The breaking of double bond is too difficult. And last means E. E is stand for electron repulsion. If halogen want to, if any new nucleophile want to attack on this compound, suppose this is any nucleophile, we want to replace this halogen during nucleophilic substitution reaction. Inside the ring there are pi bond, 3 pi bond, and on halogen there are lone pair. This is also negative. So inside ring the electron density inside ring and around the ring, electron density is high. This is also negative. So due to electron repulsion, the attacking of OH minus ion, otherwise any nucleophile on this compound become difficult. These are 4 reasons. Hybridization. This hybridization is responsible for short bond. I, instability of product means carbocation. Resonance, and E means electron repulsion. Next, can you write the name of this compound? Listen, this compound CH3 CH2 CH3. This compound. Can you write name of this compound? This compound is 1, 2, 3, 4 on second carbon. This is chlorine, so we can write this is 2-chlorobutane. In common name, we can say this is secondary butyl chloride. Due to the meaning of primary, secondary, tertiary, and normal, iso, neo. These two are different. Is an example. Suppose we want to write formula of chloropentane. Listen. Number 1. If we write this type, this is chloropentane. But in this compound, chlorine is connected with alpha, and from alpha there is 1 beta. This is primary after filling the halogen. Number 1. Number 2. Can you guess name of this compound? In general, this is called isopentyl chloride. This is normal pentyl chloride. After filling hydrogen, you can say its name normal pentyl chloride. This is isopentyl chloride. Third, the name of this compound is neopentyl chloride. In all these compounds, there is only 1 beta carbon. So these are primary. But on the basis of different chain, actually this is called chain isomerism, otherwise skeleton isomerism. This compound, there are total 5 carbon present in a structure, and this is normal pentyl chloride. This is isopentyl chloride. This is neopentyl chloride. Can you guess IPC name of this compound? Easily. But these are not primary, secondary. These are all primary compounds. So primary, secondary alkyl halide based on number of beta carbon, but iso, neo, and normal we can see on the basis of chain isomerism. Okay. So our topic was Can you write? IUPAC name of this compound 2-chlorobutane. Look, focus on this carbon, second carbon. In second carbon, there is CH3, first carbon, and this is, you can say, C2H5 in short. This is chlorine, and this is hydrogen. Look, in this compound means 2-chlorobutane, focus on second carbon. From second carbon, 4 different types groups or atoms directly connected. If 4 different types groups or atoms connected with any compound with direct carbon, this is called chiral center, and this molecule is called chirality, and its property is called chirality. With PPL light, PPL is plane polar light. With toward plane polar light, the behavior of this compound, out of these 4, the smallest is hydrogen. We write star arrow from hydrogen. And can you guess the rotation of, means direction of this arrow? This is anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means left hand side. This direction is called D. D means it is represented by LEVO. LAEVO. LEVO rotatory means this compound rotate the direction of plane polar light toward left hand side. This is in Greek we can say this is LEVO rotatory compound, represented by L, otherwise minus. Suppose this is mirror. Can you guess its image inside the mirror? Which type compound will form? This CH3, here chlorine, C2H5, and here hydrogen. We start arrow from smallest group or atom. This is hydrogen. So can you guess the rotation of this arrow? This is clockwise. Clockwise means this compound rotate the rotation of plane polar light toward right hand side. Right hand side means this is called in Greek dextro-rotatory, and dextro-rotatory is represented by D, otherwise plus. So these LEVO and dextro, the pair of these two compounds is called enantiomer. Enantiomer means dextro and LEVO compound which are mirror image of each other, and these two are non-superimposable mirror image. Actually in nature these two compounds exist and their all physical properties same, but their behavior toward PPL is different. So this is also called optical isomerism. Suppose our hands are mirror image of each other and they do not superimpose, this type. Another example, suppose this is J, the mirror image of J, this type, that J can't superimpose on this J. So these are mirror image, mean these are chiral objects, but these are chiral compounds. So this model we can explain with the help of this ball and stick model. Suppose this is compound. In this compound, this is chiral center, because from this compound there are 4 different types groups are connected. Suppose this is ethyl, methyl, suppose hydrogen, halogen, 4 different type groups. Can you draw mirror image of this compound? Suppose this is mirror, its image will form this type, opposite. Listen, if we want to replace this halogen by another nucleophile, listen, it's good. This is carbon, methyl, hydrogen, ethyl, and this is halogen, chlorine. Listen. Start arrow from here, from smaller system. This is according to rotation. L for otherwise minus, called LIGO rotatory. By reaction of OH minus, if this OH replace this chlorine, so chlorine remove and instead of chlorine OH joined. So in product two different type form may be formed. One CH3 hydrogen C2H5 here, this OH group replace chlorine without changing the orientation of these three groups. This reaction is called retention. Retention means substitution takes place, but the configuration is remain same. It remain same. But in this condition, suppose this OH is replaced to chlorine, but the configuration of these three just changes. Here product in reactant, these are on left hand side. After these two products, in first compound there is no changing in orientation of these three, but in this reaction orientation change. This reaction observed by Walden, and process is called Walden inversion. Inversion means the orientation of these groups just change. So this is LIGO rotatory according to arrow. LIGO means minus, but in this compound the rotation of this arrow represent this is dextro. Dextro means plus form. If we mix the quantity of LIGO and quantity of dextro in equal amount, then DL means plus minus, this type compound will form. DL means the quantity of dextro LIGO is same. Dextro compound rotate PPL to right hand side and LIGO rotate to left hand side. Total resultant rotation 0. So this is called optically inactive. But the process is called racemization, and the mixture of DL is called racemic mixture. So in exam they ask what is racemization, what is retention, what is Walden inversion. Listen, in Walden inversion substitution takes place with changing configuration, but in retention substitution takes place without changing of configuration. For racemization, we can say racemization process in which retention and Walden inversion both takes place simultaneously. Otherwise, we can say if we mix the equal means homomolecular mixture of dextro and LIGO, this mixture is called racemic mixture and process is called racemization. This process we can observe by this example. Listen. Suppose this is umbrella. This is halogen and this is the orientation of other groups. Suppose we substitute this halogen by another nucleophile. Here substitution takes place, but the orientation is remains same. This is called retention. Another, suppose this is reactant. We are replacing this along with changing of orientation. The orientation of these three compound, the other compound just change. This is called inversion. Inversion means just become opposite. Product with change. This is called Walden inversion. If the retention and inversion both takes place, process is called racemization. In the mixture form is called racemic mixture. Listen. Now, the topic is how can we prepare alkyl halides? If we want to prepare RX, there for preparation of RX, I am giving a trick, simple trick. MaHa FILS, we can say महफिल्स. The meaning of महफिल्स, there is 7 methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 methods. The name of 7 methods are these. Listen. Here, A means Markovnikov-Enkhras effect, Enkhras reaction. E means alkane. H, Hunsdiecker process. Again A from alcohol. F, I means Finkelstein. L means glucose, and S means Swart reaction. By these 7 process we can prepare haloalkane RX. So in next video we will discuss on these process, these reactions. Namaskar.